Today we're here in Pine Park, Long Beach, here with Latinos in Action, painting a beautiful mural. We're connecting art and community together. Let's see what's up.
Things go warming because the more trees that are cut down, like in the Lower X, the movie, the less oxygen there will be in the air and the more carbon dioxide, which causes climate change, which heats up the earth and melts the ice caps that we have.
Definitely felt that because when I was younger, when I mentioned my mom would drag me along to this. I say drag because that's how I felt before, but obviously as I grew up I realized what we were doing, why we're doing this exactly and why she wanted me to do it.
My role here is just to kind of help them out with the painting techniques and kind of guide them, some of them painting here, painting there, and also being patient because they never painted before.
There was 3 more ideas. I guess this one was the most.
See how important climate change really is, because I feel like there's people that don't really realize that the change in the weather is can make a big difference depending on where you live and how you treat the place.
I mean, it helps with acknowledgement with climate change, because I feel like a lot of people don't know or they're not really aware of it. So I think this will help with people being more aware of climate change.
I mean, could we get to spread awareness about our climates today and how it's getting worse and worse with the pollution going on?
Because it could be fun. It's fun to paint and it's relaxing.
I like painting and I feel interested in joining an art club. And this mural had made me more confident in painting.
It was pretty fun, but putting it down on the wall was probably the best part, because everybody asking us about why we were painting it and asking us about climate change and making people aware has been very inspirational for me, and I hope everybody else is inspired.
Thanks to everyone who came out here. We have something beautiful to look at for years to come. I'm Luke, supporting In Your City News.